Dear students, today I will discuss about Oersted experiment. And in the year 1820, Oersted gives this experiment. So what this experiment is? What is the experimental arrangement? And here is a current carrying conductor through which current I is flowing. And under this current carrying conductor, let me place a magnetic needle like this. Okay? Magnetic needle like this. And this is the N pole of this magnetic needle, and this is the S pole of this needle. Now when the current is flowing through the conductor, then the magnetic needle will deflect like this. Now this north pole will deflect towards west when the current is flowing from the south to north over the magnetic needle. When the current is flowing from south to north over the magnetic needle, then the north pole will deflect towards west. In which direction? It is towards west. Okay. So we can remember this statement by a word, that is snow. This is actually the remembering method. Now if we expand this word SNOW, it means that if the current is flowing from south to north over the magnetic needle, then its north pole will deflect towards west. So here we take this letter south to north over the magnetic needle, then it will deflect towards west. So SNOW. So what is the thing here? If we talk about the direction, that is, this is east, this is west, and this is north, and this is south. So when the current is flowing from south to north, then the magnetic north pole of the magnetic needle will deflect towards west. And these things can be well explained by using Ampere's swimming rule. Ampere's swimming rule. Okay. Now what is this Ampere's swimming rule? If a man is swimming from south to north in such a way that its face will towards the north pole, that is, the current is entering into his legs, and it will move away, or it will come out from his head. So the thing is that if a person swims like this, here the person is swimming here, and he is swimming in such a way that his head is towards this direction, this north direction. So his left hand will be in this direction, and if he swims like this from this side to this side, then his north pole will be in this side. So the magnetic needle N will be deflect towards north. So if a person is swimming over the current carrying conductor from south to north, that is in the direction of current, then the magnetic needle will deflect towards the person's left hand, and the person's left hand will be in this direction. So the north pole will deflect towards this direction, and that will be always west, because if this is the south to north, then the left hand will be in this side. So the north pole will deflect towards the west. Can you get it? So we can remember this result or the Ampere's rule by using this words SNOW. And when we expand this word, this will create this sentence. If the current is flowing from south to north over the magnetic needle, then its north pole will deflect towards west. And this can be well explained by using the Ampere's